I'm not too entirely clear on the wholesaling business model, but I have seen people call it, or it can be unethical sometimes. I don't know if you've seen that. Is wholesaling unethical? I wanted to see what your 2 cents were on that.
Yeah. So let's just answer that question one of two ways. Is the business of wholesaling real estate, or really, frankly, wholesaling anything, unethical? Absolutely not. Right? You are buying something at a discount, right? You're buying wholesale, selling retail. I would say there are thousands of businesses out there that do that every day. And if you treat selling of buying of controlling real estate in the same means, it is absolutely not unethical. It is something that big businesses are built on. That said, there are unethical practitioners in the business, without question. But frankly, you can say that in any industry, right? There are Ponzi schemes out there. There are investor frauds. There are all these things. So yes, there are some bad actors in wholesaling. There are people that prey on the old and the elderly, which is not a good look. There are bad actors. But is the business of wholesaling residential real estate unethical? Absolutely not. There are just some unethical practitioners that frankly need to go to jail, frankly. Yeah, so that's what I think.